Welcome back, everybody, to Orange Track Outlaws. We have another race night ahead of us here. Still trying to find out what the fastest Hot Wheels cars are. I've got a bin here of some fast cars that we've been going through. We're going to dig another 36 out of here, run them down the track, and see who's the fastest. So let's pick them here and get started. Start right here. Try and pick quick here. Get through this. There we go. F40 alert. F40 alert. That was cool. What we got here? This guy. Red car. Alright, that's 6. There we go. We got a little Ferrari action there. There we go. It's a good one. GTE 40. Dodge Charger. But this guy looks good. What we got here? That looks like a demon. Got this large car. That looks pretty cool. Alright, there's 12. On our way here. That looks like a Hot Wheels original there. So is this guy. Ooh, they got some fancy wheels there. Got this guy. We got the Porsche. Oh yeah, that looks cool. That one just looks fast. I like it. Dig in here. GTX. FTE 2 wheels. Look out. There we go. Vipers. These are usually fast and cool looking. Alright, halfway there. What we got here? It's a Subaru. Look at this guy. We got some big old wheels on this guy. Looks like a funky Corvette. We got here yellow Ferrari. It's down here. Mustang convertible. Over here. This looks like a bug. Hot Wheels original car there. I bet that one's fast. Sleeper. I know these are fast. Way too fast. It's in the name. It's got to be fast. Alright. A couple more. Keep digging. Keep digging. Charger. Oh, how about this guy? Ultra Hots. Look out. Oh, here we go. These are usually quick. The F-150. Oh, look what we got here. Everybody knows what this is. The old Huffman Stalker. That's a fast one. My money's going to be on that car for sure. We got here. Oh, we got the Jaguar. Those are usually quick too. Okay, how many more we need? 7. Let's go with the F1 Racer. Okay, we need 6 more. Let's go right here to this guy. Oh, that's pretty sweet right there. That's a nice paint job. Gotta love the Mustangs. Oh, this guy, the old Ultra Hot Silver Bullet Ultra Hot, all metal, Ultra Hot wheels, fast. Like it. Let's dig down here. Right, 3 more. 1 more. Mustang, Borla Mustang. 2 more to go. How about this guy? This is a new mystery one. Diesel Boy. Last one. Dig deep. Dig deep. We'll come out with. Oh yeah. That's a sweet looking car. Alright. We got our cars out. We're going to go set them up and race them. See you in a minute. Okay, race 1 is ready to go. In lane 1, we get the Renault Sport. Lane 2, we got the 05 Vet with the oversized wheels. Lane 3, we got the 71 Porsche 911. In lane 4, we got the Dodge XP07. In lane 5, we got the Subaru Impreza. And in lane 6, the Ferrari 355. What are you going with here? I think I'm going to go with that white Porsche. That thing looks pretty cool. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, race 1. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that buzz is out. Corvette's catching. Couldn't catch him.
Lane 5.
Oh, that buzz is out. Corvette's catching. Couldn't catch him.
Lane 5.
Okay, race 2's lined up and ready to roll. Lane 1, we got the Seared Tuner. Lane 2, we got the Way Too Fast. Lane 3, we got the Datsun 240Z. In lane 4, we got the Ferrari 599 GTB. In lane 5, we got the Dodge Viper. And in lane 6, we got the Ford GTX1 with the FTE 2 wheels. I don't know, there's a couple good cars here. I'm going to go with either that GTX1 or the Way Too Fast. Who's it going to be? Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Look at that Ferrari out.
Winner, lane 4.
Oh, wow. Look at that Ferrari out.
Winner, lane 4.
Okay, race 3 is up and ready. In lane 1, we've got Altered Ego. In lane 2, we got the Silver Bullet with the Ultra Hot Wheels. In lane 3, we got the 2015 Mustang GT. In lane 4, we got the 68 Nova. In lane 5, we got the 07 Challenger. And in lane 6, we got the Dodge Charger. What are you liking? I think I gotta go with that Silver Bullet. That thing's all metal. It's gonna be fast. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, race 3. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that Dodge Charger's out.
Winner, lane 6.
Oh, look at that Dodge Charger's out.
Winner, lane 6.
Okay, race 4 is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Drift King. Lane 2, we got the Diesel Boy mystery car. In lane 3, we got the 71 Dodge Demon. In lane 4, we got the 2000 Fairlady. In lane 5, we got the Jaguar J220. In lane 6, we got the Ford F-150. Who do you like? I don't know. They know them F-150s are fast. I think I'm going to go with the Ford. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, race 4. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Jaguar's out. Oh, look at that Diesel Boy. Wow, smoked him.
Winner, lane 2.
Jaguar's out. Oh, look at that Diesel Boy. Wow, smoked him.
Winner, lane 2.
Okay, race 5's up and ready. Lane 1, 57 Chevy. Lane 2, we got the Buzz Bomb. In lane 3, the F1 Racer. In lane 4, we got the white Ferrari F40. In lane 5, we got the Challenger drift car. In lane 6, we got the Ford GT40. Is anybody here not going to go with the white F40? I know I am. Let's find out. Okay, race 5. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that Challenger drift is out.
Winner,
Lane 3, F1 Racer. Oh, look at that Challenger drift is out.
Winner, lane 3.
Lane 3, F1 Racer. All right. Race 6, last of the semifinals. In lane 1, we got the Evil Weevil. In lane 2, we got the 2010 Shelby GT500. In lane 3, the 65 Mustang. In lane 4, we got the Mustang Mach 1. In lane 5, we got the Toyota Supra. In lane 6, we got the Huffman Stalker. So I don't know about you guys, but gotta go with the Huffman Stalker. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, race 6. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, that Huffman Stalker way out. Big win.
Winner, lane 6.
Oh yeah, that Huffman Stalker way out. Big win.
Winner, lane 6.
Okay, finals race. Lane 1, the Dodge Charger. Lane 2, the Ferrari 599 GTB. Lane 3, the Huffman Stalker. In lane 4, we got the Diesel Boy. In lane 5, the F1 Racer. In lane 6, the Subaru Impreza. This should be a great race. That Huffman Stalker's strong, though. I don't know if anybody can beat it, but that Diesel Boy, I think, is a sleeper. Let's find out. Here we go. Finals race. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wow, the Impreza's out. The F1 Racer. Wow.
Winner, lane 5.
Wow, the Impreza's out. The F1 Racer. Wow.
Winner, lane 5.
Okay, here's our F1 Thunder Streak Racer's chance at the best. To be the best, you gotta beat the best. In lane 1, the F1 Racer. Lane 2, the orange Lamborghini Stoke. In lane 5, our current number 1, the black Ferrari F40. In lane 6, we got the funny car. Who's it gonna be? That F1 Racer is pretty impressive this time. It might have a shot, but that black F40 seems to sneak it out every time. Let's race. Okay, F1 Racer versus the best. 3, 2, 1. Black F40's out. Oh, look at that orange Stoke. New number 1 today.
Lane 2.
Black F40's out. Oh, look at that orange Stoke. New number 1 today.
Lane 2.
Okay, here's a look at our new champion. New number 1 tonight. The orange Lamborghini Stoke. Took it back from the black Ferrari. The F1 Racer just didn't quite have enough for it tonight. But I hope you guys enjoyed another race night with me. I appreciate you tuning in. I do have some more customs coming. Please check out the other videos. Got some challenges coming up. Got some really cool stuff I'm working on. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. And thanks again. See you next time. See ya.